Test, test. Checking to make sure that everything is working right now. The audio and everything, let me know in the chat, in the comments. Okay. Okay. Hope you guys are having a great morning right now. I'm going to quickly send a alert on Discord. Market open is going to be very, very interesting because we have a bunch of stocks sitting at resistance like Tesla, RTX, and SPY even sitting at massive, massive levels of resistance. Tesla is the first play that I'm watching right at market open. I already got into calls as I alerted on Discord. It's up $2 right now. Pre-market, my price target is around $266. I had a weekly expiration, so I want to get out today pretty early on Tesla. So I'm going to quickly send a alert on Discord. What's the new live link? Okay. Make sure to join the Discord if you have not already. Has the market opened yet? Okay, the market has opened. Okay, I'm going to quickly send a alert on Discord. We're already in Tesla calls. I'm quickly sending a alert on all the servers. Going live trading. Okay. Tesla share. Okay, Tesla doing good right now. I'm quickly sending the alert on Discord. Boom. Okay. Oh, shoot. Okay. So we're on Tesla calls. We got in yesterday, alerted on Discord. Let's see how much I'm up right now. Hope you guys are having a great day. We'll be going over a lot. Market open is going to be very interesting. Tesla running a little bit right now. I had weekly expiration, so I'm pretty sure I'm up already on Tesla. Let's see how much I'm up. Up 30% on Tesla right now. 30% on Tesla. Break even on Enphase and RTX. So Tesla going for this ascending triangle breakout. We closed right at the resistance yesterday, and we're seeing that momentum right now. As we talked about in yesterday's live stream, the first 3 candles on the 5-minute time frame are the deciding factor for the overall trend for the market. And then typically during lunchtime is when we get that reversal to the downside. So I want to definitely be out by lunchtime. So the first 2 candles, hopefully we can see those bullish green candles, and then that consolidation can lead us to a momentum move for the rest of the day until lunchtime. So hope you guys are having a great day. Make sure to leave a like if you guys have not already. So again, we are in Tesla. Let's take a look at... We have a wick right over here for Tesla, so around $260 will be our first price target. Up 33% on Tesla, 34%. RTX and Enphase are up like 3%, 2%. Tesla doing pretty good right now. Let's take a look at some other stocks. Nvidia just kind of trading sideways. XPEV, as you guys know, we are in the small account challenge on XPEV. It's going to be a swing play, so it's going to require just patience holding on to for 1 to 2 weeks. Let me know in the comments what stocks you guys are watching, but these are the stocks that I'm watching right now. I want to start... Where's Tesla? Okay, we hit 260. I'm up 40% on Tesla, 41%. I only had 1 contract. I only got one contract for Tesla, so I can't scale out. Once I take profits, I'm out 43%, 45%, running pretty good. As we're seeing on the 5-minute time frame, we're seeing that momentum, but it hasn't even been 5 minutes yet, and the market hasn't even opened up for the 5 minutes. So Enphase 6%. Let's take a look at. Okay. Okay, so Enphase did break out. It looks good right here. 10% on Enphase, but I definitely don't want to swing it over the weekend. Tesla 40%. Okay. What stocks are you guys watching? Let me know in the comments. BLNK right here. Just wanted to hit $4.65 and I'm all out on. Where's Tesla? Meta. Let's take a look at Meta. What the? Yeah, it's pretty much just going to all-time highs now for Meta. It kind of has this cup here going on, but all-time highs is pretty much the price target. Yeah, the first massive resistance is going to be all-time highs, especially for SPY. SPY did close above the level of resistance, so we are bullish for the market. We closed above our consolidation phase, and we are looking good for the SPY. Our price target is $480, which is pretty much all-time highs on here. Tesla is my main weekly play right now. Can go for 260. Amazon. Let's take a look at Amazon stock. I think we were watching Amazon yesterday on our live stream, and we charted this out, but it's breaking out of this symmetrical triangle, very nice consolidation pattern. Pretty much, again, the market is green, so everything is really running. I'm up 50% on my Tesla calls. I think I'm going to take profits in a second. Right at 50%, I want to take profits for Tesla. I had a weekly expiration for Tesla. So yeah, Amazon is breaking out, price target around $155. Tesla also had a very similar breakout. We're taking a look at SPY. Let's take a look at QQQ. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. QQQ hits all-time highs. We're at all-time highs for QQQ right here. So yeah, we definitely have to be cautious right now, especially for that. Okay, I'm gonna sell out. I'm cashing out on Tesla right now. Quickly alerting a sell alert on Discord. I'm up 52%. I only got one contract, but I'm happy with my gains right here. Where's my? Okay. Let's copy this. We can definitely run to 265, especially when it breaks out. It has a massive bulging candle. Okay, so I'm alerting the sell alert on Discord right now, and I just sold out of my contract at 7.45. 7.45. %. 4.9, 4.95. Okay. Okay. I just closed my Tesla position. Okay. I'm out of Tesla now. Solid play right here. I'm in like 50 different servers, so I have to like send out the messages like that. Let's go to success. Make sure to send your gains in the Discord success channel. we are out of Tesla. Boom. All out. Okay. What about NIO? Okay, let's go back to the charting. So Tesla, great play. We're out. I quickly want to take a look at end phase because I'm still in end phase, as well as where's RTX, as well as RTX. Okay. RTX, I'm up 8%. I'm not comfortable with the stock. I don't like the way it moves. End phase, I'm at break even. I think I'm probably just gonna get out at break even because I'm just not comfortable holding RTX and end phase. I don't even know what they do. I have no idea what the company even does. I know what Tesla does. Yeah, so we're holding our Tesla swing position, like the 2 months out we got on February. Yes, we're holding that. But we had a weekly expiration on Tesla where we played the ascending triangle breakout. So we had a ascending triangle breakout. We played that. I got out for a 50% win. We entered in yesterday before market closed. I alerted on Discord. If you guys are not on Discord, you guys can. I have the link in the description, and you guys can join the premium version and the all of that. So Tesla is running. Okay, let's take a look at the chat. XLE. XLE, yeah, it's just trading sideways. As long as if you got time, you're good. Let's take a look at Amazon. Yeah, Amazon, we talked about Amazon. Let's take a look at NIO. Yeah, NIO is having that. We made the video on NIO. It's entering in that gap area. That is going to be a nice area. To play calls on, so calls above 956, price target 1033 for NIO. We got 66 people watching live right now with 4 likes. Make sure to leave a like and drop the link in the Discords that you guys are in. Drop the link and whatnot. BLNK is coming back down. It's having a pretty big. It's down 8% today. I'll probably leave my stop loss at break even for BLNK. Okay, I think I'm gonna get out of end phase and RTX. It just doesn't look. Okay, it does not look strong here. I'm getting out of end phase at break even. Where is the alert? Yesterday. Getting out at break even. Okay, doesn't look strong on. Okay, I got out of end phase, out for break even, so I'm taking a look at the 5 minutes so you guys can understand what I'm seeing right here. Again, the first 3 candles are not looking good, and typically those kind of decide the factor for the play and the momentum for the rest of the day, unless if we obviously come back down and bounce off the level of support. But this is not a strong opening for end phase, and the thing also is it's testing this level. We broke out of the resistance and it's kind of testing this level, so I'm out at break even. Let's do RTX. We're up 7%. Let's go back on Discord. Yeah, we're out of Tesla weekly. What am I doing? Okay, let's go back. I have to quickly do a sell alert on all the Discords. Tesla is up 60%. The weeklies, if you're still in. And phase. We were up like 20% on Enphase yesterday. Okay, let's go back to XPEV. XPEV play is still valid. XPEV is still valid. It just needs time. Tesla 70%. Let's go back. Where's Tesla? If you're still holding Tesla, the price target is 266. The contracts are sitting at 70%. Okay, RTX. I think I'm up 5% on RTX, but it's just a sketchy stock. I don't trust this stock. It's such a sketchy stock. You know, if the ascending triangle was on like PayPal, it would be different, or in like a blue chip stock. But just the way the stock trades, and yeah, Tesla doing good, especially for our the contracts we had on February expiration. It's gonna be, because my overall price target for Tesla is 300 by like February, like. Because if you take a look at all the other blue chip stocks like Apple, Microsoft, Google, Meta, all of them are hitting all-time highs. Tesla is still sitting down like 38%. 76% on Tesla. It's insane. 267. We got 12 likes. Make sure to leave a like if you have not already. With Intel, I think they had some news today, or the previous couple days. I don't know. It doesn't look alright. Tesla killing it right now. Socials. I'm gonna drop the Discord link in the chat right now. Where's the chat? Yeah, Tesla is killing it. Wow. Amazing ascending triangle setup. I'm going to get out of RTX. I'm up like 4%. Swing trades. Buy to open RTX. Okay. Getting out at plus 4%. Okay, I'm out of RTX. We're out at Enphase at break even. I mean, it was like 5%, but I'm not gonna count that in. XPV, yeah, I'm waiting to average down at 1347 right here. But yeah, we're holding XPEV. Haven't averaged down yet. MCK Kenson. What? Okay. It's very unclear. Pretty unclear on what's going on with the stock. AI. Yeah, AI has that cup. It's a pretty nice cup. So pretty much the option play that we're in right now is XPEV. That's kind of the play that we are concerned about. We got out of Tesla Enphase RTX. We're still holding the Tesla February expiration, but that's like a long time, and we're up on that a decent amount. Um, PayPal. Yeah, make sure to leave a like. Would really appreciate a like to help the algorithm out. So let's take a look at PayPal. I'm just in shares. That's it. I'm in shares. We do have some setup forming here. We have a gap. It's going to be a potential future play here. Can you check ESTC? It's flagging right here, kind of flagging right here. BLNK re-entry. So BLNK. So when we were doing the live stream yesterday, I kind of forgot about BLNK, but I actually want to start getting out of the position. If I was watching BLNK yesterday, I would have sold at like $4.40. It had a drop today, but I'm still up on BLNK. It's just it was so close at hitting $4.65. So if I take a look at BLNK, overall great buy, but I'm doing it a short-term trade. I just want to be out at $4.65. That's kind of my trade idea for BLNK. XPEV is pretty much like the only play I'm a little bit worried about. I just needed to start building momentum, especially for the small account challenge. We're in XPEV. Okay, let's check the Discord chat. Still valid. BA. RTX is running a little bit. Yeah, the SPY looks pretty much bullish. Like, I think we're going to hit 480 this week. 480 this week for the SPY. BLNK long term, you could do I don't want to do like a long term. I want to be in and out, kind of like Macy's, where we got in at the support, then we got out. But you could play the long term game because overall it was a great buy for Macy's. It's gonna be on you, but I don't like doing the long term play because I would rather have it in something like PayPal or Bitcoin. Macy's actually has a nice setup going on here. Is this going to be our next play? This looks good. Love you going live. Would you ever consider this doing more often? So I'm going live throughout this week and next week because of the Christmas rally, the Santa Claus rally. The last time we did live streams like this was 2 years ago. But yeah, I definitely want to do more live. It just depends on the market. And I think this week was a great opportunity. I think whenever we have those consolidation periods for the SPY where we're trading sideways and we're setting up for a move, I would probably want to go live on those days, because or else pretty much every other day is a boring day for the market. Um, you gotta know when to trade and when not to trade, um, especially during bear markets. Where's Tesla? Yeah, Tesla, incredible. Yeah, I'm happy with my 50% gains. The contracts are sitting at 80% right now for Tesla. If you're still in, I just had one. I'm I'm doing good. I'm chilling. Yeah, Tesla's doing good. Let me see how much I'm up on my. Because I had those February expiration. Quickly checking how much I'm up. Oh, shoot. Tesla. The price target would be this resistance, 266. February 16th. Yeah, I'm up 400 on the swing play for Tesla. Yeah, profit is profit. GameStop, we're not watching it again. Um, I had a 50% loss on GameStop. We were up a good amount, but it's just that the contracts are so wacky because of the way it trades. You're only gonna make money when you get pops like these for GameStop, and the price action, it wasn't worth trading those options or holding on to the options for uh, GameStop. So XPEV, these are kind of like the next plays that I'm watching. XPEV, Li Auto, Li is running, and then Neo. Okay, these are the newest video that I made on. If you guys have not already watched that, make sure to watch the video. It's only like a 5-minute video, but EVs are looking pretty good. XPEV is lagging behind right now, but it looks pretty nice right over here. So this was the new video we had. What do you guys think of these new thumbnails? I think I got a thumbnail designer to do these new thumbnails. That's going to be one of the goals for 2024. So like this. Looks pretty cool. We got 65 people watching. If you guys have not already, make sure to leave a like. It's just a tap of a button and you guys can leave a like, and that means a lot. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, Tesla looks. Okay, let's take a look at Enphase on the 5-minute. So again, as I went over, we got out at break even. The first 2 to 3 candles right at market open, the first 15 minutes are very, very important because they decide the overall trend. Okay, I'm going to keep repeating this every single time. When I was trading Google, I wasn't trading it live, but I always take a look at the first 3 candles. If the first 3 candles are red, it's going to be a falling knife. And then we have these consolidation periods on like the 5-minute. Okay, so for example, for Tesla, we broke out on the daily time frame, we broke out on the 5-minute. Now we're trading sideways, and then we're potentially going to break out, or we can obviously come back down. But if we do break out, some more consolidation. And then the best experience is obviously learning from experience, being in the market. I'm in the market for 4 years, so typically during lunchtime is when we see the volume dry up, and then we cool off, and we might see a profit taking for the overall stock. Okay, that is from my personal experience and what I've been through the market. Yeah, RTX looks decent. I'm just not, I have this thing where I need to build trust in a stock. I need to have some sort of trust on stocks to like trade that. But yeah, RTX does look good. Okay, what's the next play? We had 50% on Tesla. Is SPY calls going to be the move? I think we might just play SPY calls and have the take profit at $480. Also, right when around January 1st hits, I'm gonna take a break from options, because I think we had an amazing, amazing month, and I think we need to just kind of cool off a little bit, unless we have some incredible setups. So XPV Neo, Lee is doing good, but I'm surprised because all of these are Chinese EV stocks. They're not moving together as I was expecting. Lee and Neo and XPEV are lagging behind. So XPEV, yes, XPEV is like the only play that I'm worried about right now. But I want to average down. Let's see how much I'm down on XPEV right now. I'm down 25% on XPEV. January 12th expiration. So January 12th. Let's go over here. And where's our okay? So January 12th. So this is how much time we got. So if it comes back down below, something like this. Whenever it hits the level of support, it has a really nice bounce. So, like, if we go here, yeah, I think we just need patience, and we just need to wait on for XPV. Like our SoFi play, where it was just consolidating. I like XPV, and EVs in general, for the play. How about CAT? Wow. It's just running. It's just running. Let's check the Discord chat right now. Is anyone still in Tesla? Nvidia. This is going to be a play for later next week or later 2 weeks. It just needs to get tighter, but this is definitely going to be a play, something like Google and Amazon. So Nvidia is for sure going to be a play for like next week. You're still holding Tesla? How much are you up? Let me see how much the contracts are at right now. The contracts are at 928. So that's like a 90% gain. Enphase and RTX are also up right now. I got out at break even. They're up at like 20%. Does Apple's movement concern you at all for the overall market health? Does Apple's movement? I mean, You know, SPY is the overall market, so it's not just Apple. Um, so no, not really, not really. Still in Tesla, yes. February expiration, that's good. Solid 4. Yeah, I think I'm up $400 on the February expiration for Tesla. Adobe, let's take a look at Adobe. Pretty much XPV, Neo Li, those are kind of like the plays we're holding, and Tesla, so pretty much all EVs. What I was actually taking a look at was to enter back into oil, but with like a longer expiration. I was thinking like 2 months out, 3 months out. So this is the monthly time frame. I'm thinking like 3 months, 3 months out on XLE. If I go to the, reminds me of this Apple play we did 2 years ago. Um, where was the oil play? Okay. Okay, let's go back. So, yeah, I wanted to play oil. I already got like a 90% gain on the option contracts for oil, so. And the cool thing about oil is, one thing that I really, really like about oil is it doesn't go like with the market. Like if SPY is at all-time highs or if SPY is red, then oil can be green. So if the market does decide to pull back, we can see a sector rotation into oil where tech stocks are cooling off and people are kind of buying into oil. But yeah, oil looks really good. Okay, we had a 90% gain on oil and we caught it like right at the bottom. And the reason that I got out was because even if we were to hold, look at how much theta the contract would be eating up. You know, it trades sideways a lot. So that's kind of the reason that I got out early, because we had these two massive green candles. This is a level of resistance. It trades sideways a lot, and that eats up in the theta. I'm tempted to short SoFi. I would be careful with shorting the trend because I can definitely see it pulling like something like a Coinbase. Coinbase, SoFi, Robinhood. Like, look, you got to be careful with shorting the trend. Um, yeah, I would be careful with that. The only time, like, it's not that I don't play short positions. It's that the overall market trend is to the upside. But as we talked about on our weekly watch list video, BA is kind of the short play that I'm watching for this week and next week. But we got 34 likes and 64 people watching. Make sure to leave a like if you guys have not already. Really helps out with the algorithm. Okay, so we were watching. I'm thinking about Macy's. Can we see a play here? We can short this to the downside or buy calls to the upside. Oh, shoot. You guys know that I got out of SSNT at 10% gain, like 12% gain. Yeah, XPEV has to run fast. Seeing this breakout on SSNT. When was the video posted? This $10 stock is a buy. Yeah. So that's like 20%. Yeah, SSNT is killing it right now. If you're still in, I'm not in SSNT. I got out at like 10%, 12% gain. 13 was the original price target. I like your options call. Thank you. Thank you very much. We've been doing this for 3 years. Or 3 years on YouTube, but like 4 years on Discord. You're still holding SSNT? Nice. Nice call. Very nice. BLNK, I would probably leave my stop loss at break even. But let's take a look at trades. Okay. EVs in general, like Neo, Tesla, Lucid, XPEV, Lee, like all the EVs are looking decent right now. I'm gonna accumulate more Bitcoin this week, next week. Put like 3,000, and because I usually take my options profit and then just pour it into Bitcoin long term. Any stock equity to buy? PayPal for stock wise. You can also do Bitcoin equity. I'm gonna be dropping the Bitcoin videos, the course, to the premium subscribers on Discord. So I'm gonna be working on that later next week. Yeah, XPEV is like the only play that I'm worried about. It really needs that momentum. Let's take a look at the volume. Okay, let's take a look at do you guys think Tesla is gonna hit 300 by February? We actually got earnings. I would probably okay. February 12th. Okay, let's see. Because I really think we can hit $300. So we got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we got like 5 weeks. Yeah, I think it's possible. Like once Tesla runs, it runs. Kind of like AMD. What platform do you trade crypto on? So, I have $25,000 in Bitcoin, but I do not store it in a exchange. So it kind of gets complicated. I use a hardware wallet called Coldcard. So I do not keep my Bitcoin on the exchanges. I buy my Bitcoin on Robinhood because they have 0 fees, and then I transfer that crypto into this blue card, whatnot. But if you want to be lazy and you just want to buy your Bitcoin in Robinhood or Coinbase and do that, that's cool. But my goal plan is to hold Bitcoin for 10 plus years. Kind of like a retirement type, because I really see it as a digital gold, and I've read a lot of books and I've studied a lot on it, and I'm just fascinated with the technology and the power and the whole story behind Satoshi Nakamoto and whatnot. But I store my Bitcoin on this hardware wallet, and I have, yeah, I'm not gonna say too much now, but I use this, and then I'll make a whole guide on probably on the Discord later on, and then I keep it here. But if you just want to trade crypto, you can use Coinbase to like buy Solana and Bitcoin and stuff. Let's go back to the stocks. Yeah, XPEV averaged down right at $13.52. Let's take a look. What if you lose the hardware wallet? So I have it kept in like a lock, but it doesn't matter if you lose the hardware wallet because the 25 words are kind of how it works. I'll actually recommend you guys a video. I really like this YouTuber called Bitcoin University. If you guys are interested in, he has a video on Bitcoin for Beginners 2020. So he talks about that. Great videos on Bitcoin and whatnot. This video is really good. Fiat money is death. He posted it 9 days ago. Check him out. But yeah. GBCT. Any pharma stocks? Wow, Pfizer has been dying right here. XPEV is the only play that I'm worried about, but I do want to average down on it. What do you think of Nvidia? Nvidia, yeah, I'm just kind of waiting on it. I think it's going to be a play for next week. It just needs to consolidate a little bit more. It's going to be a play for next week. NWBO. This is a OTC stock. So like a penny stock. You have this set up on NWBO. SSNT is still running right here. SPY doesn't look strong right here. It needs a bullish close. Getting out of XPV minus 30% is a bit much. That's the thing, that I don't keep my stop loss based off the options contract. Because I feel like that's involving your emotions too much. You gotta be like trading emotionless. Then we got like $800 on display for the small account challenge. We got 65 people watching with 40 likes. Make sure to leave a like if you have not already. I think this is going to be the next big play though. We're going to see what happens. Hope you guys are having a great day. Okay. Tesla is up. Okay, let's take a look at Macy's. I'm deciding, should I get out of Roblox or not? Because I bought Roblox at the lowest it has ever been. So I'm thinking like I can probably hold on to this for like a long term. Like, because we got in right at the bottom. Solid 60% gain on Roblox. Or do I cash out? You're okay with your stop loss stock price being minus 50 or 60%? It's just that my stop loss is based off the chart, and I can average down here, and if I average down and we see like even 1 to 2 green days, then we're gonna be at break even. So that's kind of my strategy. Like, okay, if I'm down like 60%, I can average down again and then have that stop loss close below. The probability of us closing below is a lot lower than us actually bouncing out. So that's like the only time that I average down on. Um, so we could see like here, if we take a look at the previous times, you know, it respects that level of support and it consolidates like SoFi. You know, these consolidation patterns are huge because we're setting up for a move. But we got till January 12th. So that's my concern. If we just trade sideways, and we got to be at like $15 for it to be break even. So that's my only concern. The time. Time is my only concern. We're going to be going live tomorrow also, so make sure to subscribe with notifications on. We want to see that push on SPY. We want to see that push to $480 today. Tesla 2.3%. Let's take a look at the 5-minute for Tesla. What point would I average down on XPEV? That would be the area at $13.50. So right around here. This would be the average down. And then the stop loss would be the close below, like that. BA trading sideways. Gonna be a potential play in the near future. We can play calls to the upside or puts to the downside. It's going to be a day trade though. A weekly day trade on BA. This is one play that I'm watching. DSKE, please. What the? What am I supposed to do? DSKE. It just gapped up. I think it's just gonna trade sideways. So if Nike keeps doing this falling knife on the daily and weekly time frame, this is gonna be a great play right here. Gonna be adding it to my watch list. This is probably gonna be a play in like February, like next 2 months. So if it keeps dropping, great play to buy in right at the level of support. Looks like ADSK. XPEV is hitting almost the level of support. I love this setup though. Like technical analysis wise, this setup is amazing. We might just need more time just some more time. That's always the problem, the time. Fire cycle. SPY just trading sideways right here. Next plays XPEV. Let's take a look at. Haven't looked at Disney in a while. Bitcoin setting up for a potential play right here. The question is when does Coinbase hit its peak? It just keeps running. It's absolutely insane. 141%. Wow. Massive breakout. SSNT is also, it's running right now. Needs volume. I'm surprising it's running like this. Where's the volume? Let's go to Finviz. Good morning. Good morning. Hope you guys are having a great day. Wow, Tesla is carrying tech right now. Tesla. Rumble. Definitely never ever trading options on Rumble again. I think it's a good play for shares. And then have that stop loss close below 4.54, but definitely never playing options on Rumble again because of the way it trades. Nice call on Airbnb puts. XPEV is almost hitting the average down level. How long have you been streaming for? 1 hour. Okay. Tesla keeps running. It keeps running. The price target is going to be 264 if you're still holding the contract. That was a solid breakout on Tesla right here. Let's take a look at the 5-minute. Because it is consolidating right now. It's kind of flagging right here. So if it pushes above 263, we got 266 price target. XPEV has a falling knife. Let's take a look at the volume. Do you wait for a little bounce up before averaging down, or would it feel good to average down? I'll have to see. I think a candle like this, if we see like a candle like this on XPEV, then I would probably average down. So the candlestick really matters and how we close for me to average down on XPEV. GDX is breaking out. Overall bullish on gold. I'm overall bullish on gold. And I do own gold. I own gold and silver bars. Like physical gold and silver bars. Got 2,000 in them. But yeah, overall bullish on gold and silver. Like I'm talking about, I think we're going to see like 100% gains on gold and silver. Because we have this massive cup and handle. And it has been consolidating for more than 10 years. More than 10 years, since 2011. It has been trading sideways and consolidating. And if we close above like this on the monthly time frame, which I think we are, because in like 3 to 4 days we're going to have the monthly candle being closed, then it's going to be a solid play. Very bullish on gold and silver. Let's actually take a look at silver. Take a look at the overall monthly. We have this cup, downtrend breakout. Especially if they print, more US dollars. Let's take a look at the US debt clock. We're almost at $34 trillion. Wow, Tesla is killing it right now. Yeah, I'll let you guys know once I start averaging down. I'll let you guys know in the Discord. Cost NBA, please. Okay, Costco. Man. Costco looks like this. BA, we talked about BA a lot. It was on the weekly watch list. Taking a look at puts below 260, calls above 260 for a day trade, weekly day trade to play the breakout, short-term breakout. I think NEO is better than XPEV. Let's take a look at. I like the gap on NEO. Yeah, I like the gap on NEO. I just like XPEV because of the stop loss that we have. You know, it's very simple, very basic. We're buying in at the support, and the stop loss is right here. You know, what is the probability that we break this to the downside rather than bouncing? Let's take a LI. BLNK, it's kind of just consolidating right here. I'm going to have my stop loss at break even. And then GME, we talked about GME earlier. It's just trading sideways. I'm not going to play it again. It's a wacky stock. You know, the way it trades, and it needs volume. Do you think Piton has any life? Wow. Wow. It has like a cup, but I don't see. I don't know. I would probably have to do some research on like the company or like the fundamentals. Hope you guys are having a great day. Pretty much XPEV is the current red play that we have, but we haven't sold out of XPEV yet. So it's not. How many plays did we had? Enphase, RTX, Tesla. Yeah. We definitely have to start being cautious though. You know, once you get your profits, like what I personally do is I take all my profits and I put it in long-term plays, and then I play with the money that I had originally put in it, like I'm doing with the small account challenge right now. That's kind of the strategy, because again, the real money is made in the long term. Personally, Bitcoin, because there's always a risk with options, so you got to be careful. $30 trillion, man. $3 trillion. Is there any way I can add a Bitcoin in here? Let's do Bitcoin. Oh shit. Let's do global ranking. Okay. XPEV is the hot play right now. A swing play. Swing trade. IWM, let's take a look at. Yeah, it just keeps running. This would be like the next resistance. Check out SQ. SQ has this channel. It's crazy how like a lot of these stocks have like the same setup. Like this same setup was on Robinhood, SoFi, Macy's, Coinbase, ARK. It's the accumulation phase. That's what's it called. The accumulation phase. And it's typically known by the volume. Because that's, you know, when you're supposed to accumulate shares. What do you think the SPY is going to do in the overall trend? So I usually don't look at like 1 year out for the market. But I think pretty much bull market is back. Let's do SPY stock. Oh, shoot. I think the bull market is pretty much back. You know, we have downtrends in the market, then we have uptrends. You know, if we take a look at the max, this was a very big correction. So to me, it looks like okay, bull market is back, and I've been in 2 bear markets, so I kind of know, you know, what kind of goes on. Especially if they start printing more money, it's kind of just guaranteed to go up. And you have to think about the only way to pay back this $34 trillion in debt is to print more money. Okay, that is the only way. It is called currency debasement. And once you have this printing of money, like another $11 trillion, you got to pay this debt back. The only way to save yourself is to not hold dollars. So then that money is going to go to the markets, SPY, gold, Bitcoin, because it's not going to be in dollars, because the only way that you could save yourself is to not own US dollars. So that's the thought process. This is a very, very concerning factor. Very much. But yeah, pretty much bullish for 2024. I'm very bullish on Bitcoin for 2024. My price target for Bitcoin overall is Bitcoin rainbow chart. My price target for Bitcoin is $250,000. Okay, shoot. Yeah, like $250,000, 250 for Bitcoin. That's like my biggest position. take a look at SE. Hope you guys are having a great day today. Did we have this charted? I think I had this chart a couple days ago. Looks like it's breaking out. Yeah, I think I had this charted, but someone in the Discord asked me about it. Make sure to join the Discord if you have not already. So, I think this is pretty much it. The market is kind of drying up right here. The only play that I'm really looking at and I'm in right now is XPEV in our Tesla February expiration and our equity plays. But pretty much XPEV is going to be like the next big play for a swing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this live stream. I will be going live tomorrow at a market open, so make sure to subscribe with notifications on. Go to sundaystocktalk.com for a very, very nice newsletter. And if you guys want live buy and sell alerts, as well as the small account challenge, as well as a very nice course to almost 2 hours plus of extra content on stock market psychology, you guys can check that out. But hope you guys enjoyed this live stream, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow at market open. And take care. Have a great day. Bye.